Dr. Stone has confirmed the release date for season 2. Following the end of the first season last year, it was confirmed that the second season was in work. Adapting the Stone Wars arc of the series, it was previously revealed that the second season of a fan favorite anime would be making its debut in January as a part of the winter 2021 anime season. But with the newest issue of Seisha's Weekly Shonen Jump, the second season has now official release date, as fans now know what day they will be able to tune in for new episodes. As announced in the newest issue of Seisha's Weekly Shonen Jump, Dr. Stone Season 2 will be officially making its debut on January 14th in Japan. Fans outside of Japan will be able to stream the new series with Crunchyroll upon its release. The Funimation has also confirmed they will be launching a simul-dub release of the new season at the later date following its initial debut. So that's also good news for the dub watchers. Dr. Stone will be also having the dub, but it will be of course delayed by just one day. So if you are a dub watcher and if you prefer to watch dub over sub, so you would need to wait till 15 Jan. So after that you can watch the dub on Funimation. Dr. Stone's second season will be picking up from the major tease of the first seasonal finale as Senku Ishigami's Kingdom of Science prepares to go war with Tsukasa Shishiho's empire. The first season saw the introduction to the kind of battles that will be taking place in the next season. But the Stone Wars arc takes it to the whole new level as Senku and Tsukasa try everything they can to defeat each other. The new season will introduce a new pair of opening and ending themes as well as with the new opening theme titled Rakuen, as performed by Fuji Fabric, and the new ending theme for the anime is titled as Koe and it is performed by Hathena. The new season will also bring in new characters joining the Tsukasa Empire, but what do you think? Will you be turning in into Dr. Stone's second season when it premieres next January? Which Stone Wars movement are you most excited for? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Or do you read Dr. Stone manga? Let me know if you read, because I don't read and I just want to know about how the season 2 is gonna be. Leave your opinions in the comment section down below. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.